Oh, we're actually recording this.
Yeah. We're gonna have like 3 hours. What time do you want me to wake you up tomorrow morning? Noon? Noon to 1?
Yeah. Was that right? Is it this?
For what? Faster away?
For what the fuck sweeps?
It's ascending triplet, 2 quads, and ascending triplet, a quad zigzag, and then descending.
Yeah,
triplet,
so
quad.
it's... I think I know the method now.
Regardless of knowing the method, it's just now
it's just about coordination and speed. I got this one.
I'll do it still. Oh my god. I got this one.
Well, it has to be instant because my force drum.
There you go. You can feel this. That wasn't me, was it?
No, that was me. Thought my brain fucked up. I get this every time, don't worry.
Fail number 1! We're still recording.
Man, I can edit that shit.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
No, it goes straight from Ustream.
And if you upload it to YouTube, I can edit it.
How?
Because I can download the video.
It's not worth it. You just keep the fail in just for shits and giggles.
Alright.
If we don't get it this time, we can always just...
There we go. That would have been cycle sweeps. I'm proud of myself.
Oh god, I'm off sync!
Remember, as quiet as you can.
I know. You know, I bet instead of
Yeah, we need to
save.
save.
What?
We need to save and hit those chords.
Yeah. Wrong path. Okay, you want to field this act? Since it is your act. It's right as soon as you pick it up. Remember?
I got this.
I used to have such troubles with this section.
You gotta pick that one phrase up. balls.
I got so lucky. I hit, dude, the trill. I started late.
We basically just got that first try. That's stupid.
Hey, not only that, we didn't beat our score.
I don't care. That was
We got. Is that your first Raining Blood Co-op FC?
Yeah, that's my first Raining Blood FC. Period.
Well, that doesn't really count. Like, dude.
Besides base.
Dude, you accidentally tilted, and I activated my elbow.
Yeah, I know, because I heard trolls going off. I was like, oh shit, we aren't in the trolls already, are we? So I just hit select.
And then my elbow hit it too. Alright, I'm gonna stop.
Let's see.